Every minute you spend doing the same redundant processes over and over again without finding a way to do them faster, better, quicker, that's money leaking out of your pocket. Now imagine if we can tighten that up, streamline it, make those little repetitive tasks faster, easier, smarter. That's where productivity starts to go through the roof. Streamlining operations, whether it's material handling, layout, tool organization, or just how your crew communicates, you save time and money. You're cutting down on wasted motions, wasted steps, and wasted energy. And listen, it's not about working harder. It's about working smarter. You take those headaches out of the day-to-day grind, and suddenly you and your guys aren't just keeping up. You're crushing it. Jobs get done faster with fewer mistakes. You're building a perfect web of efficiency. Spiders build their structures using web out of their butts. But you can use Spyder's 5-piece door lock installation kit instead. Measuring, layout, and then cutting is a lot of work. A skilled tradesperson will tell you it's real easy to mess up your measurements, and even the smallest mistake could have you spending way more money to fix it. It's also tedious going back and forth, measuring, marking, cutting, fitting, and adjusting.
Hey, Ben.
He's all marked out. How you doing?
Yeah, just getting ready to lay out these doors.
I literally caught you right in time. So I have a new lock installation kit from Spyder, and it has both hole saw sizes. There's a jig here doing multiple size doors. I know you got your old way of doing things, and I know you're pretty much like me, a creature of habit, but I was hoping you'd try something new and let me know what you think of it.
All right, I'm gonna have to pull that stuff out.
I know it's already out, but here's the deal. When I was younger, in the trades, we didn't have a jig like this. We had to go out and buy the individual drill bits to cut the holes, then tape up the paper template to the door, make sure everything was correct, and then make sure to drill the holes at exactly 90 degrees. Otherwise, even after having absolutely everything perfect with your template, the two lock halves and the bolt wouldn't line up. That means having to go out and buy a whole new slab.
Now, when
because
you
of this
eject
quick
that core,
eject, I push in here.
Yeah.
Gets it right off the drill bit. I like that.
Those quick eject cores are nice.
I tell you what, the drill bit itself really ate right through the door. I didn't have any issues with the amount of teeth that's cutting through the actual door itself.
I mean, it seems like a pretty efficient tool. I mean,
I like the quick release chuck. I don't need two different chucks. That's very, very efficiently. See how this drill bit does coming through this way for the actual Lockset itself.
But I want to know one thing that you learned while working on the job, or even on your own DIY project, that was an aha moment. That one template, tip, or trick that streamlined the project and made you way more productive. And while you're down there, please like my video. This is Spyder's door lock installation kit. It has rapid core eject. Remove the core with the push of a button. No screwdriver required. It's as simple as attach, drill the pilot holes, drill door holes, and install. The door lock installation kit includes the installation jig, the rapid core eject, hex 10 arbor, and pilot bits, 1" and 2 1/8" bi-metal hole saws, and a burr-free depth stop for use in exterior and interior doors, wood or metal. So here are a few of my favorite things about this installation kit. Number one, you can do either 1 3/4" thick doors or 1 3/8. It's as simple as popping out this guide and flipping it over. Now, before you use it, you're going to want to make sure it's the correct thickness door, and this is in the right orientation for that. The second thing that I like about this is that you can use 2 3/4 or 2 3/8 inch offset lock sets with this. I like that as well. So it's giving you a lot of flexibility on how you can use this. If you're moving from different style doors or different style lock sets, it's easily adjustable. Here's the other thing. You're easily setting this in place with screw type lockdown. It has rubber feet here as well. If you're going to be throwing this into a toolbox with other things, you might want to make sure if you're storing it, store it as closed down as possible. This way, it will keep this little inset or insert from popping out of the template and you possibly losing it. It has this little insert that goes in the hole saw. And the reason I love that insert in the hole saw is it forces you to drill for the lock set from both sides of the door. You can't go straight through the door from one side. Traditionally, if you put up a paper template, you could potentially drill through the entire door with one hole saw. If you did that off kilter or canted, not at exactly 90 degrees, the lock set would have, the hole for it would have a downward tilt or an upward tilt. Those lock set halves wouldn't meet up correctly, and then you wouldn't be able to meet your bolt as it went through the door. This makes it pretty much idiot-proof. It's literally a system that was designed by geniuses or engineers, okay, to make it perfectly simple to install a lock set. I also love that you have the rapid eject core system. This is pretty much like Spyder's hole saw kit, right? This is exactly what it is. Set our hole saw on our arbor. We can set our pilot, okay? And when we are done drilling the holes on one side or both sides, we pop it, we just boom, we pop it out. Everything about this kit is to make the process simple, efficient, faster, and pretty much without the fear of doing it wrong. Would you want something like this Spyder 5-piece door lock installation kit for yourself? If you would, you can use the YouTube shopping button below or next to this video and check out the pricing for yourself. Also, the YouTube algorithm has a great way of knowing exactly what video to recommend to you next because it knows exactly what you need. So you'll want to click the next video when it comes up in 3, 2, see you on the next one.